How can I treat toothaches? They say there's nothing worse than toothaches or foot pain. For the first one, you can use various natural recipes to soothe toothaches before going to the doctor if symptoms continue. You should keep this in mind because even though a homemade treatment can help you, there are cases in which it is vital to go to the dentist. Why do you get toothaches? In the majority of patients, toothaches are related to cavities that have gotten into the nerve and damaged it. Nonetheless, there are other reasons why you suffer from this horrible problem. Earache, tooth abscess, poor hygiene, infections, getting hit, sinusitis, heart attack, mouth or jaw injury, a crack in a crown, decomposing food and teeth, irritation from food between two teeth. The most common symptoms of oral health problems are swelling, sharp pain, like a prick, bad breath, throbbing in this area. Recommendations for toothaches. If you have frequent toothaches, you should see a specialist. But, at the same time, you can keep these following tips in mind. Cool down the area from the outside, using an ice pack placed on your cheek, on the outside. Be careful when eating food or drinks that are very hot, cold, or sweet, especially when you have a lot of pain. Keep your head elevated while sleeping. Elevate it to help alleviate the pressure in this area of your face. Distract yourself with activities like watching a movie, going for a walk, bicycling, or running. Exercise releases endorphins that naturally soothe pain in half an hour. Use dental floss to remove food remnants that get stuck between your teeth that your toothbrush may not always get rid of. Always use it carefully to avoid hurting or damaging your gums. Homemade remedies for toothaches. If you ask your grandmother, mother, or aunt, they will surely tell you a different and very effective recipe for toothaches. Some of the most used ones are: put a small amount of clove on the molar that hurts. Make a mouthwash by mixing 5 cloves, a little bit of saffron, a pinch of salt, and a cup of water. Eat it until it boils for 10 minutes. Remove it from the heat and let it cool down. Take swigs of it between 4 and 5 times a day. Chew fresh parsley on the molar that hurts to alleviate the feeling. Take a swig of any liquor or white drink, like whiskey, for a few seconds. Your gums will absorb the alcohol and numb the molar that hurts. Mix an egg yolk with a tablespoon of honey, breadcrumbs, alcohol, and cayenne pepper. Soak it in gauze and press it on the molar that hurts. Clench a slice of raw onion between the molar that hurts so that the juice is released. Apply warm poultices of mashed potatoes, rice, or flaxseed on your cheek, as well as fabric soaked in warm chamomile tea. Soak poppy roots in a teaspoon of salt. Apply it to the injured tooth. This is not recommended for people that suffer from liquid retention or high blood pressure. Crush up parsley leaves in a teaspoon of salt, forming a paste that you should put on your cheek when you feel pain. Boil a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of wormwood. Let it chill, and when it is warm, do swigs without swallowing the water. Hold the water on the infected molar for a few minutes so that it takes effect. Boil 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds in a cup of water until only half of the liquid remains. Soak a cotton ball in it and apply it to the molar. You can also do swigs of the mixture to alleviate the pain. Soak 3 garlic cloves in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and let it sit for 4 days. Apply 6 drops of this liqueur mixture with a dropper on the molar that hurts. Place a tea bag of black tea on the gum next to the tooth or molar that is causing you pain for a few minutes.